Shiba Inu coin news today? We must be ready. Shiba to 10 cents soon? Shiba Inu is arguably among the most popular meme coins today. Named after the Shiba Inu dog, the coin has gained tremendously over the years. It is essentially a decentralized meme token that has managed to evolve and amassed a vibrant community for its ecosystem. The dynamic community building approach has made SHIB popular, resulting in the name the Dogecoin Killer. It is available today on most decentralized exchanges. Shiba Inu has recently recorded relatively high price gains in the recent months since its launch in August of 2020. The future appears bright for digital assets as forecasts show that a majority will continue to increase worth over more extended periods. Since Shiba is dependent on the Ethereum blockchain and has support from Elon Musk, it is highly likely to experience exponential growth. Shiba Inu is essentially the most popular cryptocurrency inspired by the famous Dogecoin. Most of these Dogecoin-inspired tokens have gained popularity due to the unprecedented endorsement by Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who has openly endorsed Dogecoin. Hi there, my name is Nathan and welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Shiba Inu is quickly taking over the crypto scene and is growing at a very fast rate. The community around the coin is extremely strong and lots of people believe that the coin could reach 10 cents. Shiba Inu has been in the news a lot recently, mainly because the coin was very recently listed on Coinbase and Binance, two of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. This led to Shiba seeing a spike in value as it made 25% gains over the weekend. Unfortunately, the coin has come down in value since. On the positive side of things, Shiba's official Twitter account hit 900,000 followers and looks likely to hit 1 million followers before the end of the month, which is likely to give the coin a lot of publicity and increase its value. And now with new news breaking out, we could see a massive spike in SHIB's value. Buterin's SHIB donation to India converted into $76 million in stable coins. On Friday, India's crypto COVID relief account stated on Twitter that it had officially completed the conversion of all Shiba Inu contributions received from Vitalik Buterin into $76.2 million in stable coins. The community-run fund that continues to provide assistance in the COVID crisis reported in July that it had paid out 2% of the $1 billion in Indian COVID crypto contributions received at the time. Now, the total proceeds for converting 10139544347 612 SHIB are $76,215,526.65 coin, with global market maker Wintermute transferring the amount to the COVID relief fund's wallet over the next few hours. Shiba Inu price is in for a treat with 45% upside potential. Shiba has been on the rise since last Thursday and it doesn't look like slowing down at all anytime soon. Shiba Inu is surfing on a favorable tailwind and has washed sellers out of their positions. With stops being run, buyers were in for a rocket launch to the moon, and the trip did not look to be halting anytime soon. Shiba Inu is offering bulls who came too late to the party another entry. Shiba Inu's price action shot through the roof Thursday and hit the high from August 17th, near $0. This way, SHIB is forming a double top and an incentive for bulls to do better. Buyers will have already booked quite some substantial profit, so the risk is now that this rally could quickly start to fade. A medium-term descending trend line might do the trick to keep buyers in check and add a new volume to the rally. This trend line originates from May 24th, and the high of August 17th acted as one of its conformation points. A minor short-term correction is normal as price action in Shiba Inu is overheated. Buyers who want to join the party will use this short-term cooldown as an entry to load up on Shiba Inu coins. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.